Hi everyone, I am Crystal Damarcos.
Hello, my name is Jonadine Balwa.
And I am Krisachki Dakmeg, and we will be reporting the Region 4B, Mimaropa. Region 4B, Mimaropa, is located at the heart of an archipelago and dubbed as the treasure trove of southern Luzon. Mimaropa is envisioned as the food basket for the country and heaven for tourism industry. The total land area of Mimaropa is 27,455.9 square kilometers, composed of 1,946 islands and islets. Mimaropa region is the largest region nationwide in terms of land area, while National Capital Region is the smallest region. Due to its archipelago nature, it claims to be also have the largest territorial water in terms of land area. Mimaropa represents 1/3 of the whole Philippines and archipelago. The name Mimaropa stands for its province, which are Occidental Mindoro, Oriental Mindoro, Marinduque, Romblon, and Palawan. President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo issued an Executive Order 103 dated May 17, 2002, dividing the Region 4, Southern Tagalog, into Region 4A, Calabarzon, and Region 4B, Mimaropa. Region 4B was renamed Mimaropa Region under the Republic Act No. 10879, which established the Southern Tagalog region to be known as the Mimaropa Region on July 17, 2016. The reason why former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo dividing the Region 4 into two regions, Region 4A and Region 4B, is to promote efficiency in the government, accelerate social and economic development, and improve public service. Calapan City is the regional center of Mimaropa. Mimaropa region's economy relies mostly on agriculture, fishing, and ecotourism. It is one of the producer of country's top export products like rice, banana, coconut, cashew, and papaya. The region is the second top fish producer in the country, and its output makes up almost 14% of the Philippine total produced annual from 2002 to 2004. Mimaropa is also ranked as the second top producer of seaweeds, representing 21% of the country's total output.
So now we are going to talk about Occidental Mindoro, known from its tagline, Marine Wonderland of Luzon, because of its extensive coastline, fantastic dive sites teeming with all kinds of marine life, powdery white sands, endless blue seas, islands and islets rich in marine life, coral gardens, mysterious caves, and cascading waterfalls. Occidental Mindoro is home of the indigenous Mangyans. Its capital is Mamburao and occupies the western half of the islands of Mindoro. Occidental Mindoro commonly speaks Filipino. The other dialects are Ilocano, Hiligaynon, and Kinaraa. The working population can read and speak Filipino and English. Municipalities consisting Occidental Mindoro. These are Abra de Ilog, Calintaan, Looc, Lubang, Magsaysay, Mamburao, Paluan, Rizal, Sablayan, San Jose, and Santa Cruz. So let's go to the tourist attraction in Occidental Mindoro. First is Upper Reef. Upper Reef is a coral reef system here in the Philippines. Encompassing 34 square kilometers, it is considered as the world's second largest contiguous coral reef system and is the largest in the country and as the diving mecca of the Philippines. So next is Inasakan Beach, often touted as the Boracay version of Occidental Mindoro. Inasakan Beach boasts of powdery white sands. The water here is so clear that one can see fishes and other marine creatures swimming. Next is the bundok ng Susong Dalaga, or known as the Maiden Breast Mountain. Then the White Island. White Island is one of the most beautiful beaches of San Jose Mindoro Occidental. The beach contains white and brown sand. It is only 15-minute boat ride from the town of San Jose. The island is generally horseshoe-shaped, although the tides constantly resize and reshape its exact form. There are no trees or shelter of any kind, and it is composed solely of white sand. Then Pandan Grande Island. Pandan Grande Island, located off the coast of Sablayan, is a small, privately owned island that offers amazing beach experience. Only 10 minutes by the boat from mainland, it provides a perfect tropical life with its warm turquoise water and a plenty of sun in a serene ambience. The unique, famous, and specialty food originated from Occidental Mindoro is adobong pugita. This adobo dish is made with matured octopus that is cooked in a combination of vinegar and soy sauce. Other common ingredients include garlic, onion, oil, and bay leaves for flavoring. The unique culture of Occidental Mindoro is the kutkot ritual. The kutkot ritual is a tradition of bringing the dead back to life, a Filipino word for scratch or unearth. It entails dressing up the remains of the dead in cloth so they take a human form again. Many of the early 100 indigenous peoples group across the archipelago hold rituals for the dead, but very few among the 25,000 Hanunu Mangyans remaining in the central island of Mindoro still practice kutkot, which is the fallen victim to Molder influences. For some, kutkot is an obligation that tribal member must perform, in keeping with the clan practice or honoring a dead relative request. Dugay Festival is a celebration of the Dugay spirit between and among various cultures found in the town of Sablayan. It celebrates the harmonious ties of the lowland settlers and the Mangyan tribes. The week-long festival is celebrated with the culture shows, street dancing performances, and the other exhibits beginning every January 18. The street dancing showcases the different ethnocultural groups of Mangyan. Mindoro is known from its tagline, "The island's loveliest harbor," because it is world famous for its splendid beaches, coral reefs, and exquisite dive sites for new and experienced divers alike. There are shallow coral gardens, interesting rock formations, and colorful species to watch like crabs, shrimps, morais, and trumpet fishes. Located on the islands of Mindoro under Mimaropa region in the Luzon with the city of Calipan as the capital of Oriental Mindoro. Occidental Mindoro is composed of 15 municipalities: Baco, Bunsod, Bungabong, Bulalakaw, Nauhan, Nansalay, Pinamalayan, Pula, Puerta Galera, San Teodoro Rojas Socorro, Victoria Gloria, and one city, Calapan City, serving as a provincial capital. The population of Oriental Mindoro in the 2015 census was 844,059 people. The transportation port of Calapan is the primary seaport serving the city, connected through routes to the port of Batangas City in the mainland Luzon. The city of Calapan also has an airport. Those are common mode of transportation: jeepneys and vans.